You won't believe how easy it is to find someone's email and phone number using just a browser, and guess what? It is 100% free, no coding, no hacking, just pure OSINT magic. Let me show you how hackers, investigators, and even you can do it in minutes. Alright, let's tell about the tool. It is called OSINT.rocks. This is a free OSINT open source intelligence platform that gathers data from public sources and helps you perform powerful people search. From email address to phone numbers, username, and even social profiles, all in one place. Go ahead and open your browser and type https://osint.rocks. Once it loads, you will see a client search-focused interface. No sign up, no credit card, just results. Searching a name or username. Let's say you have a name or username of the person you are trying to investigate. You just type it in the search bar. Example, let's type John Smith 007. Now press enter or click the search icon. What happens next is pure OSINT power. The tool begins scanning multiple public databases. Check the email section. Scroll down a bit and you will see different Gmail tracking tools. In this case, I am choosing Ghunt. Now let's enter our target Gmail. As you can see, we have found a lot of information. The investigation includes Gmail ID, Google Photos, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Pay, etc. Check the phone number section. Scroll down a bit and you will see different phone number tracking tools. You can choose either Ignorant or Telegram. In this case, I am choosing Telegram. Now let's choose country code and enter our target phone number. Now let's use ignorant. If a number is found, it will usually include format, local or internal, country code, possibly the source where it was scraped from. Remember, this tutorial is for educational and legal research purposes only. Don't use this for stalking or harassment. OSINT should empower cybersecurity journalism and privacy, not violate it. If you found this eye-opening, hit the like button and subscribe because I am dropping more free tools that hackers and investigators use daily. Drop a comment if you want a full series on OSINT tools. Stay smart, stay safe.